Welcome back to my channel. After a week of rainy days, ngayon lang umaraw, pupunta ako sa Ramsgate. So let's see what can we do in Ramsgate. It's only 40 minutes away from our place by walk. So let's go, join me. Hi, I'm Katrina and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yung lupain na yan? Yan. Hindi sa akin yan. Ramsgate Beach is one of my favorite beaches here in Sydney. You can do running, cycling, or simply walking by the beach. This is also one of the best spots to do swimming, paddling, and jet skiing. Or you could just stay under the sun, chatting with your friends, feeling the breeze of the air. You can also do fishing, this is also perfect for family. There is a very beautiful and safe playground where you could just simply put your mat beside the beach or on the sand and play with your children. You can see the birds or watch them and just listen to their chirpings. There are also nice coffee shops here on where you could dine in or take away your food. If you need to do some shopping, it's very near to the Ramsgate Beach Plaza. This is also a perfect spot to walk your dogs. Nakalimutan ko pala. Meron nga pala akong golf ngayon. Nakakahiya sa mga amiga ko. I'm so late.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.